This is an unboxing video of the Rode PSA1 Plus Professional Studio Arm. Easy positioning and parallel movement, low noise operation, clamp or desk insert. So you get the arm, you get the desk clamp, the desk insert, and also the thread adapter for microphones. Yeah, let's open it up. So first, desk adapter. This is really heavy. It even has the golden Rode dot here. This is the desk insert, and you will tighten this to the desk, spring loaded. You have to be careful when you open it. Insert it onto the desk, put the arm on the desk mount. You can make a hole for this thing. This is another option. That's how you install that part. You open it. It has multiple parts, and then you can insert it. So you open it like this. You open it, insert it into the desk, has a nice rubber, and this is where the microphone arm goes in. Cable organizers around the cable, and that's all. Okay. Careful with this, it's spring loaded, open with care. Also this part, I'll open the arm when I'm ready to install it. This is what you find in the Rode PSA1 Plus kit. It's very solid, it's nowhere near those cheap ones. Thanks for watching.